Okay, so I don't know if I'm gonna post this video or not. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. But I'm gonna be doing a video, a squishy package. No, I haven't opened it yet. And it's, hold on, let me cover my address up because I have no clue. Okay. This is to Gabby Steele. And we finna open up whatever this sticker is right here.
Somebody keeps getting his eyes out and they don't feel like
So, you can see it hasn't been opened yet, so we're gonna open it. And of course it's a squishy because that's really all I ordered from the dog. I can't open it. It's really slow. I was using forever. Okay. Very nice. I can open it up. I don't want to cut the squishy, so gonna go like this. Okay, I'm really scared of what it's gonna be because I don't really remember anything that I've ordered. Oh my gosh! I got my French fries. My cute kawaii French fries. Mama, my cutie kawaii French fries. Look. Yeah. It's my cutie kawaii French fries. It does have a lot of holes in it. Yes. Smells like, I don't know what's going on. Okay, it has a lot of defects in it. And it's like already coming off, but it's really smooth. Yeah, it's really cute. It's really soft. Oh my god. There are so many defects. It's still rising. Look at the face of this thing. I got stones on my neck. It actually smells kind of good. Still rising. Oh my god, it's not even still rising. It's a dent. This is such a ripoff. Mama. This is all messed up. It's really slow rising, but like, you know, I'm finna make a meal. Hold on, I'm finna go get my other squishies. I'm gonna make a meal. Be aware that these are not all my squishies. These are just the squishies that I'm using to make a meal. Hold on. Let me scoot that back some. Okay. So yeah, I'm trying to make a meal. Got the banana. Let me go get a drink. Wait until this is not like squished in. Very slow rising, and I squished it. And but maybe that's like the grease, I guess you could say. No. This is the jumbo one. It was $5. I mean, the defects are okay. I mean, yeah, that's okay. Because it's, at least it's slow rising. I just wanted something slow rising and stressful. takes so strong. I actually got this from Walmart. Not this. I got this, and it stuck to the package, and it kind of like this one makes the weirdest sound. Listen. But yeah, this one, the tag kind of ripped off in the packaging. That's okay. But it is super slow rising. It takes a while. And I got this one from Walmart. It's not that slow rising, but it was $4.88. It also has the tag, and it's Walmart. So yeah. Okay, this is the fake version because there is no, okay, I see it. It is, yeah, this is not from my state because it says Sonoy Ellen. You can't really see it, I don't think. Yeah, I can't even see it on the camera. But like, there's words, but you can't see it. But I don't really like the sound this one makes. It's sticky too. Hold on, I need to wipe this off or something because it is sticky. I don't know why. Okay. I put some water on it and now it's not sticky. But if I was you, I wouldn't put much water on there because you want it to get like. Look at the mouth. It is so messed up. I really don't like this squishy. And then like the eyes are all over the place. And then there's like a line going through its face. Yeah, these are some really greasy french fries. The banana's not that slow rising. But I have more. I have an acorn. Those are the only 4 that I have because I sold the rest of them. If you want to go, if you want some, you have to be going to my school or to my sister's school. So, yeah. And if you don't know me, then I'm not going to tell you what school I go to. Unless you follow me on Instagram. Because I don't send through packaging. But, like, this was actually a really thick packaging. I thought more was going to be in there. But I'm really looking forward to getting my, Kawaii peanut. It's pink or blue. I don't remember which color I got, to be honest. But yeah, I got all of these off of Amazon. I got this stuff. And I also have an upsurge card. So if you live in Tuscaloosa, Alabama, then yeah. Also, I'm going to give y'all my Flippergram in the description box because, yeah, I'm just going to say this was the worst squishy package of, like, that I've ever got. Just because of all these holes, like, why are there holes? These are holes, by the way. Those are all holes, and they're, like, there's, like, a lot of tiny holes at the top. Like, hold on. You see that? I would do like a close-up. Like, look at his face. No, one eye is all the way up here, and the other one's. I didn't even know I ordered French fries. I forgot about that. And then like the packaging of the French fries is just uneven. Like, look at this. I'm gonna contact whoever gave me this because this is one of the worst I've ever had. And this one is making this annoying sound and it's sticky and I don't like it. And then like the mocha up here is hard. It's actually a frappuccino and here's the straw is really defected. And like there is a lot of stuff that's pink and then it's defected all the way around the rim. And then there's holes in it. It's sticky for some reason. It's really sorry. So we're gonna have a feast real quick. We're finna eat up my dinner. Well, it's not even lunchtime yet, but we're finna eat up. This smells. Oh my god. You know what this smells like? It smells like chocolate at the top.
Alright, everybody, can we do this?
Bye.